In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a workspace in Smartsheet, step by step. If you're collaborating with a team and need to give others access to multiple sheets, reports, or dashboards at once, sharing a workspace is the best way to do it. It keeps everything organized and ensures everyone has the right level of access. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can do it quickly and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Smartsheet dashboard, you'll see your main workspace with sheets, reports, and other items listed, depending on your recent activity. Next, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on Browse. The Browse panel is where you can access all of your workspaces, sheets, reports, and templates in one place. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to manage or organize larger groups of items. After clicking Browse, select Workspaces from the available options, if it's not already selected. You'll now see a list of all the workspaces you have access to. Find the specific workspace that you want to share with someone. This could be a project workspace, a team workspace, or any organized folder that contains multiple Smartsheet assets. Click on the name of the workspace to open it. Once you're inside the workspace, look toward the top area of the screen for the Share button. The Share button is typically located in the upper right corner. Click on Share to begin the sharing process. A sharing window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a field where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type in one or more email addresses, separated by commas if you're inviting multiple people at once. Before sending the invitation, choose the appropriate permission level. Smartsheet allows you to assign different access levels depending on what the person needs to do. For example, you can give viewer access if someone only needs to see the information. You can choose editor access if they need to make changes. Or you can assign admin access if they need to manage sharing settings and control the workspace structure. Make sure you select the correct permission level to avoid giving too much or too little access. You can also include a personalized message in the invitation box. This is helpful if you want to explain what the workspace is for or provide context about the project. Once everything looks good, click Share or Send, depending on what your screen displays. That's it. The invited users will receive an email notification letting them know they've been granted access to the workspace. Once they accept, they'll be able to access everything inside that workspace according to the permission level you assigned. One important thing to remember is that sharing a workspace automatically shares all the items inside it. This means any sheets, reports, or dashboards stored in that workspace will inherit the same permissions. If you later add new items to the workspace, they will also be shared with the same people. This makes workspace sharing extremely efficient for team collaboration. If you ever need to modify access, simply go back to the workspace, click Share again, and adjust permissions or remove users as needed. This keeps your project secure and ensures only the right people have access. And that's how you share a workspace in Smartsheet, step by step. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference when managing team projects and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.